episode 1 of the exploding peep. Look how gigantic and fat this lazy bone is. Watch his eyes disintegrate into his body.
Oh,
if this doesn't explode, I call dibs on eating it.
I call half. We'll split it. I call it.
Okay. We all have to split it.
Yeah. JC,
only 10 seconds left.
Because we know that it's 5 fat enough. 4,
3, 2, 1. Come on! Oh!
No.
Lee! No, stop.
We're gonna make it like a million.
No!
Me.
Oh, Charlie! The inexpensive, gigantic, fat, lazy peep!
That smells really good, though. It does.
It smells like roasted marshmallows.
There's sunburn, right? Yeah.
Okay,
Because
guys,
that
we're gonna divide this up.
Okay.
Everybody have a knife. Me.
So I don't feel like touching this.
Is it even hot?
Okay, let me see it.
I called
So,
dibs
hold
on
on.
your TV.
What?
Nothing. I called dibs on your house. I called dibs on your mom.
I call dibs on my apartment. We don't have a house.
I call dibs on the apartment complex. Let's go!
I called dibs on
Now
the
I can
playground.
destroy some people. No.
Oh my god.
I called
What are you doing to his eyes?
dibs on the hand.
Ah!
Come on, just.
Okay.
Is it hot?
Ah, stop.
Dang, Donna, who'd you shoot him for?
I didn't mean to.
I don't want any of that stuff back to you.
I want it. I want it. I want
We
it.
should all get a piece.
Who is playing?
Ah! Look at its insides. Look at this.
You sure you want a piece?
No.
Donovan, hold this and put it at me.
Dun 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 dun. So nasty. Dun 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 dun. It's pretty good. I like it.
I really like it.
Okay.
You can't have my piece.
Dun
You
dun
know why?
dun.
I licked it all over. Licked it all over. And now I'm gonna eat. It does taste like a roasted marshmallow.
Videotape me eating this.
Okay.
Okay, do you have it on videotape?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look. Charlie, episode 2.
Pretty much.
Charlie, the giant, fat, lazy peep. Now, I shall be cannibalism and eat him.
Racist! Racism!
He's racist! He's turning
Racist!
racist!
Who kills blue people and peeps?
He's turning purple! Purple people are racist!
You should brush your teeth more often. I can smell that from here.
Shut up, Trevor.
No!
Are you playing?
I'm still eating!
Playing?
Dun 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 dun. He's cleaning his.
You gotta bring another one over. Oh my gosh. Bring like all of them.
Dude, we gotta set it to like 99. It's gonna so explode. It's just gonna go like this.
I'll come, let's go get more.